Kim Taehyung, also known by his stage name B, is a South Korean singer, songwriter, and actor. He is a member of the South Korean boy band BTS. B is known for his deep, soulful voice and his versatile musical talent. He has written and composed several songs for BTS. He lives in a luxurious penthouse in Gangnam, Seoul, South Korea. The apartment is estimated to be worth $5 million. He has a fleet of luxury cars, including Genesis GV80 SUV, which cost $70,900, Porsche Panamera GTS, which cost $179,800, Kia Carnival, which cost $46,000. He is a global ambassador for several luxury brands, including Celine, Louis Vuitton, and Gucci. He is passionate about music and performing. He is one of the lead vocalists of BTS, one of the most popular boy bands in the world. B is a talented photographer and has shared some of his work on BTS's social media accounts. He is also known for his love of nature and often takes photos of flowers, trees, and landscapes.